Welcome everyone to this video. In this video guys, I will show you the best and the easiest solution to fix now your problem on your Twitch. So let's learn how to do it. You have guys to open the settings of your mobile phone. Click right now at apps option and search for Twitch. Click on Twitch like this. Here you will see this list. Click on battery first, make it on optimize it. Go back now, click on storage, click clear cache only. And back, also click force stop in the corner of the screen and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update your Twitch. After that, restart your device and that's all. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel and see you in another video.